gestes et les expressions. Okay, because, well, of course, as in many languages, gestures are really important. So when we're talking about this body language thing, it's really important. And so that's what I thought we could cover with few videos. So per video, we'll discover 15 gestures, and it's the first one. So we can start right now. Okay, so this is the first gesture that we'll see. Okay, so the way we'll proceed is in that part of the screen, you'll see my good friend Laurent. He will make the gestures for you. And then here we'll have the expressions. Okay, so and the first one we'll see is oh la barbe. Oh la barbe, it's quite interesting because this expression, well, actually you tend to use it when you're bored with something. Okay, so just imagine that you are participating to an event, or well, just imagine you're going to your friend's classroom, and then well, it's not your day and you get bored quite easily, so you can say oh la barbe. Okay, and look at the gesture that goes with it. Look, here it goes. Okay, so it's really oh la barbe, and that's the expression. One more time. Okay, so just to express the fact that you are bored with something or someone. Let's see now the second gesture of this video, and the expression is pile c'est ça. So it's quite interesting because this pile expression, we can use it if we want to say exact or exactement. Okay, so for instance, we can use this pile if we talk about the time. Okay, 2 o'clock sharp. Okay, deux heures pile. All right, so that would be the thing we could use. And when you want to say that, well, someone is saying exactly, you know, what you mean, exactement, pile c'est ça, and the gesture that will go with it. We'll have a look at Laurent now. Look. And that's it. Pile, c'est ça. Exactement. All right. Third gesture. Les doigts me démangent. So les doigts, fingers, okay, and then démanger, itchy. So it's when you want to express the fact that you are annoyed by something, and then you could to one point do something bad and maybe hurt someone. So you are really, really annoyed by something or someone. And look at Laurent. Okay, so the gesture, that goes with it is, look, les doigts me démangent. All right, so now the next gesture, en avoir assez. Okay, it's, well, you are fed up with something, okay, but it's not, well, as bad as the gesture that will come after. All right, so look, you look up in the sky and you, well, just want to express the feeling that you are a bit fed up with something. Look. Yes. En avoir assez. And the next one, en avoir ras-le-bol, we could say maybe it's somehow the next step because you are really fed up now. Okay, en avoir ras-le-bol, it's really the expression that you can use if you want to say that you are really fed up with something or with someone. Okay, so you want to express with your hand that, you know, the limit, I don't know why, but it's the head, you know, has been reached. Okay, like that. En avoir ras-le-bol. Second gesture, same thing, same topic. You are really fed up with something, and then, you know, you can use this expression, avoir les boules. Okay, and the gesture that will go with it, have a look. Avoir les boules. One more time, so that everything is clear. Okay, so it goes like that. Okay, gesture number 7. C'était parfait. So, or then it could be c'est parfait. So it was perfect. It is perfect. And so look at the gesture. So you really want to say that, I mean, everything is going fine, it's perfect. And look, you do it like that. All right. Maybe you will watch it one more time to be sure that it's clear. C'était parfait. Okay. And after that, if you want to say super, great, the gesture, which is, well, probably quite international, okay, but still it's always useful to say that it is the same in France, okay, so it is exactly the same as in many other countries. So let's have a look one more time. All right, super. Okay, this pas mal is not bad, okay, not bad. And let's see how Laurent can make. So it's not a gesture. If you look, it's more like the face that he will make. Look. Not bad. All right, so the eyes a little bit open and then you nod a little bit with your head. It's not bad. C'est pas mal. Okay, next one. Plus ou moins, it's more or less. Plus ou moins, more or less. Let's see the hand. Okay, we can watch it one more time. Okay, more or less, plus ou moins. Again, for the pleasure. Plus ou moins. All right. Next expression, si c'est pas malheureux. Si c'est pas malheureux. And you really want to say that you are so desperate with something. And the idea is that you're looking at the sky and then your hand is going like that. Because you just want to say that, oh my God, is it possible? Si c'est pas malheureux. The next one, zéro, obviously will be quite clear. You just want to express the fact that, well, the thing you are watching or the thing you've been seeing is quite bad, really bad, because it's zéro. Okay, and then you make the gesture, and with your gesture you just make the sign or the zéro like that. Okay. Then, pas de doute. Well, technically, no doubt about it. Pas de doute. Pas de doute. Look, it's everything is in the hand. Pas de doute. Let's have a look at Laurent one more time. Look. Pas de doute. No doubt about it. Okay. And then gesture number 14, numéro 14, vous voyez, you see. Okay, so you want to insist on the fact that, hey, you see that. Okay, have a look. Vous voyez, all right? So it could be something that you want to show because the thing is here, all right? But then it could be something that you said, all right? You want to insist on that fact, and then the person, well, agrees in a way, and then she, vous voyez. You do agree. Vous êtes d'accord. Look at the gesture. Vous voyez. And the last one for this first video, premièrement, so first, okay, that's it. All right, so quite easy because, of course, it's just something that is quite international in a way, okay? You will make this premièrement, so one. One more time. Premièrement.